Welcome! In front of me I have LG NanoCell TV, and today I'll show you how you can change your region, your country. You have to tap on the settings icon on your remote control. Next you have to go for the all settings, and when you are here we have to go for the general. Right now pick location, and here we can change broadcast country or LG service country. And right now when you want to change it, you have to input the password. So the default password you'll find in the user guide, but I can tell you that it's always 0000. So you have to simply tap 4 times 0 and then go for the OK. As you can see right now we are here, and we can simply change the broadcast country. So as you can see we are in the Poland, so we can easily switch to Norway or the Netherlands. As you can see, after changing the country, our currently tuned programs will be deleted, so we will retune the programs. Of course, I don't want to make it because I'm actually in Poland and I don't want to make my currently program disappear. And as you can see, it is very simple, right? So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.